The world of wolves, nature's ultimate pack hunters. Welcome to today's video. In the next 20 minutes, we're taking you deep into the world of wolves, nature's most iconic pack hunters. Wolves are intelligent, social, and highly skilled predators that have fascinated humans for centuries. From their complex social structures to their hunting strategies and their critical role in ecosystems, wolves are truly extraordinary creatures. In this video, we'll explore the different species of wolves, their habitats, behaviors, and how they're being conserved in the wild. Let's begin. Wolf species and classification. Wolves belong to the Canidae family, making them relatives of dogs, foxes, and coyotes. There are several species and subspecies of wolves around the world, each adapted to their unique environment. Gray wolf, Canis lupus, the largest and most widely distributed wolf species, found across North America, Europe, and Asia. Gray wolves vary in size and color, ranging from white to black. Eurasian wolf, Canis lupus lupus, a subspecies of the gray wolf, found in Europe and parts of Asia. They tend to be smaller and leaner than their North American counterparts. Arctic wolf, Canis lupus arctos, a subspecies adapted to the cold, harsh environments of the Arctic. Arctic wolves have thicker fur and are often white, helping them blend into snowy surroundings. Mexican wolf, Canis lupus bila, one of the smallest and rarest wolf subspecies. The Mexican wolf is critically endangered and can be found in parts of Mexico and the southwestern United States. Red wolf, Canis rufus, a separate species that is smaller than the gray wolf, with a reddish-brown coat. Great wolves are critically endangered and now only exist in small areas of the southeastern U.S. These wolf species are all-powerful predators, but their survival depends on cooperation and their ability to adapt to different ecosystems, habitat and distribution. Wolves are highly adaptable and can thrive in a wide range of environments, from dense forests to tundra, grasslands, and deserts. However, human activity has greatly reduced their habitats, forcing them into more remote areas. Gray wolves. Historically, gray wolves roamed across most of North America, Europe, and Asia, but their range has shrunk significantly due to habitat loss and hunting. Today, they are found in remote forests, tundra, and mountainous regions. Eurasian wolves, they inhabit forests, steppes, and mountainous regions in parts of Europe and Asia. Arctic wolves, these wolves live in the frozen tundra and ice-covered regions of the Arctic, where few animals can survive. Mexican wolves, the most endangered wolf subspecies. Mexican wolves inhabit small areas in New Mexico and Arizona, and they are the subject of ongoing conservation efforts. Red wolves, once widespread across the southeastern USA, red wolves now only exist in small protected areas, such as wildlife refuges. Wolves play a crucial role in maintaining the health of their ecosystems by controlling prey populations, which in turn helps prevent overgrazing and preserves plant diversity, pack structure and social behavior. One of the most fascinating aspects of wolves is their complex social structure. Wolves live in packs that are typically composed of 5 to 10 members, although some packs can be larger. Each pack is led by an alpha pair, a dominant male and female, and the pack includes their offspring, relatives, and sometimes unrelated individuals. Hierarchy. The alpha pair leads the pack and is responsible for making key decisions, such as when and where to hunt. Other members have roles within the hierarchy, such as the beta wolves, which are second in command, and omega wolves, which are submissive and often help diffuse tension within the pack. Cooperation. Pack cooperation is essential to survival. Wolves rely on teamwork for hunting, defending their territory, and raising young. Cooperation also helps maintain social bonds and reduces conflict within the pack. Communication. Wolves communicate through a wide range of vocalizations, body language, and scent marking. The famous wolf howl serves many purposes. It can signal the pack's location, warn rival wolves of their presence, or coordinate during hunts. Body language, such as tail positioning and facial expressions, helps maintain the social order. Wolves form strong family bonds, and the pack operates much like a family unit, working together for the survival of the group. This social cohesion is what makes wolves such successful hunters and survivors in the wild. Hunting strategies and prey. Wolves are highly skilled hunters, known for their endurance, intelligence, and teamwork. Wolves typically hunt large prey, including deer, elk, and moose. These large ungulates make up a significant portion of a wolf's diet in most regions. Wolves use their superior stamina to chase down their prey. often selecting the weakest, sickest, or youngest animals, caribou and bison. In colder climates, wolves target caribou and bison. Hunting bison requires a high degree of cooperation, as these animals are large and dangerous. Smaller mammals, when larger prey is scarce, wolves will hunt smaller animals like hares, beavers, and rodents. In some regions, wolves also scavenge on carrion, especially during the winter months. Hunting in packs allows wolves to take down prey much larger than themselves. Their typical hunting strategy involves stalking their prey, then chasing it over long distances to exhaust it. Once the prey is tired, wolves will target vulnerable areas like the throat to bring it down quickly. Wolves play a critical role in regulating prey populations, preventing overgrazing and promoting biodiversity in their habitats. Wolf pups and family life. Reproduction is a vital part of pack life. The alpha pair is usually the only wolves in the pack that breed, and they give birth once a year. The mating season typically occurs in late winter, and after a 63-day gestation period, the female gives birth to a litter of 4 to 6 pups. Raising pups. The entire pack helps raise the pups, a behavior known as alloparenting. The mother stays in the den to nurse the pups for the first few weeks, while other pack members bring her food. Development. Wolf pups are born blind and deaf, weighing only about 1 pound. They rely on their mother and pack for protection and food. At around 3 weeks, they begin exploring outside the den, and by 8 to 10 weeks, they start following the pack on short excursions, learning to hunt. As the pups grow, they learn important skills from the adults, such as hunting techniques and social behaviors. By the time they are 1 year old, they are capable of joining the pack in hunting larger prey. The cooperative nature of wolf packs ensures that the pups have the best chance of survival, even in harsh conditions. Wolves and humans, a complicated relationship. Throughout history, wolves have had a complicated relationship with humans. They have been revered in some cultures and demonized in others. Myths and legends often portray wolves as dangerous creatures, leading to widespread hunting and eradication campaigns in many parts of the world. Human-wolf conflict. As human populations expanded, wolves were seen as a threat to livestock and sometimes human safety. These led to widespread wolf extermination programs, particularly in North America and Europe, drastically reducing their populations. Misunderstandings. Wolves are often misunderstood as bloodthirsty killers, but they generally avoid humans and only attack livestock when natural prey is scarce. In reality, wolves are shy and cautious around people. Conservation and protection efforts. Wolves were once on the brink of extinction in many regions, but thanks to conservation efforts, they are making a slow comeback. Endangered species protection. In the United States, the gray wolf was listed under the Endangered Species Act in the 1970s, and recovery efforts began. In Europe, the European Union's Habitats Directive protects wolves and promotes their recovery. Reintroduction programs. In the USA, the reintroduction of wolves to Yellowstone National Park in 1995 is one of the most successful wildlife conservation stories. Wolves are now helping restore balance to the park's ecosystem by controlling elk populations and allowing vegetation to recover. Challenges. Despite these successes, wolves still face significant challenges. Poaching, habitat loss, and conflicts with farmers remain ongoing issues. Conservationists continue to work on ways to mitigate human-wolf conflicts, such as compensating farmers for livestock losses and promoting coexistence. Conclusion and call to action. Wolves are remarkable animals that have captivated human imagination for centuries. Their intelligence, teamwork, and resilience make them one of nature's most successful predators. But their survival depends on us. Through continued conservation efforts, education, and coexistence, we can help ensure that wolves remain a vital part of our natural world. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing wildlife content on Wild Diary Florence. Let's continue exploring the wonders of nature together.